Hello everyone, in this video we will install Java and the Geany IDE on Ubuntu and then run our first Java program. This process is very similar on most other Linux distros. First open the app drawer and open the terminal and type java-version. If Java is not installed on your system, install it by typing sudo apt install openjdk -26-jdk. This will install JDK version 26 on your system, which includes the JRE and the JVM to run Java applications. Wait for the installation to complete. Now let us verify the installation. Type java-version again and press enter. Great, Java version 26 is now installed. Next, we need a development environment. For this tutorial, we will be using Geany IDE. Geany is one of the fastest and optimized IDE out there. Installing Geany is also very simple. Type sudo apt install Geany and press enter. Once the installation is complete, open the application drawer and search for Geany. As you can see, Geany is now installed. Now that both Java and Geany are installed, let's test them. Open Geany, click the new file icon. Then click File, followed by Save As. Choose any folder you like. For this demo, I'll use the Downloads folder. In the file name box, type main.java. Now enter the following code exactly as shown on the screen. We will explain every part of this code in future videos. Type void main, open and close parenthesis, open curly brace, and on the next line type system.out.print, write test inside double quotes and parenthesis, and put a semicolon. Now close the curly brace we opened for the main method. That's all we need for this test program. Click the compile button. It will automatically save the file. If the compilation is successful, you should see a success message. If you see any errors, first make sure the code is correct. Then verify that Java is installed properly. If everything looks correct, click the build menu. Select set build commands. Verify that the compile command and execute command match the ones shown in this video. To run the program, simply click the gear icon. If the program displays the wait test, then both Java and Geany IDE are working correctly. Congrats, your Java development environment is now ready. In future videos, we will learn more about Java concepts and start building real applications. Thanks for watching.